Hey all, good morning, Russ here, RVerTV. Come on, let's go for a ride. It's early in the morning. Today is Thursday, April 25th. Let me lock up here. Okay, let's go for a ride. I gotta go get the oil change in the van. A couple other stops. Okay, I'm gonna make you right up top. Watch this. Okay, hang on tight. It's just a little after 7 in the morning. Gonna get the oil change in the van. Gotta go post office, bank. And it is getting hot. I don't know what the temperature. We'll find out at the bank, but my goodness. My air conditioner ran almost all night long. Look at that sun. It's just starting to cook already. Be glad to be out of here next week. But this is typical springtime. We hit almost 100 yesterday. They're calling on the weather for it to be over 100. I bet maybe 102, 103, somewhere around there. Okay, we're heading north on Central, going across I-10 here. Not too many people out right now. Bank is right up here. We just crossed Main Street there. Bank's right up here on the right. Looks deserted, doesn't it? Shady Lanes here, they closed up first of the month. Or end of last, whatever. You know, that guy owns a gold claim. If you stay there at his park, you can go mine. Alright, let's see the temperature. Whoa! 86 at 7:12 in the morning. Welcome to the desert. Alright, let me go see if they will print me any money here. I'll be right back. Yeah, 86 at 7:12 in the morning. You know, in the summer, it would be over 100 before the sun comes up. This is the Horizon Bank. It's a local bank. They got several branches throughout the state. In this neck of the woods, Havasu, Parker, I think Phoenix. There's good old Herbs. That place, I don't recommend it. It's good in a pinch, but boy, they sure are expensive for a hardware store. Alright, well, I think it's coffee time. Go get a cup of coffee. I still got a little time to kill. My appointment's not till 8, so I got like 45 minutes here. But you know, I really like this time of year here too, because look, there's no one here. You pretty much got the place to yourself. Okay, we're gonna make a right here on Main Street. It's hard to believe April's almost over. It's a done deal. Gonna be May 1st. That little red, white, and blue place right there on the right, that's a fudge. They sell fudge there. That used to be the old business Quartzite Chamber of Commerce. Someone bought it and turned it into a little fudge place where they sell candy. And the RV parks, they're looking a little sparse. There's old Hasslers. You know, they got like a little museum in there. It's kind of cool to go look at. Okay, we're crossing Tyson Wash. And up there on the left is 88 Shades. But what a pretty morning. Look at the mountains off in the distance. Nice and clear, no clouds. But no clouds means hot. Oh well. Out of here in a few days. It's one thing, my motorhome, the air conditioners work really, really good. They're really good at spinning the electric meter too. Okay, up here at the yellow tank, there's a little coffee shack. It's called Bird's Best Bean. And they're gonna stay open all year, believe it or not. The lady running it, she's gonna tough her out. So if you're in the area, stop. They got great coffee here. They got all the flavored stuff. They even got ice cream. I think this diesel guy is open year-round too. Alrighty, I'm gonna wait my turn, pull up, get me a cup of coffee, then we'll keep on going. Alright, we're off. Still got enough time. I'm gonna run down to check my P.O. box. Maybe we'll hop down to the dollar store real quick too. Okay, make a left out here on Main. You know that stagecoach there on the left, no one's taken over that restaurant. That used to be a good place to eat, but the old owners, they passed away. It's too bad. Things change, huh? Look at that sun. It's just wanting to really get cooking here. Oh man. Yeah, I couldn't believe it when my air conditioner kept cycling last night. Just wouldn't cool off. Finally, low after midnight, it cooled off enough where it shut down. But I knew then. Okay, gonna make a left. This is the Quartzite Post-Office. Go ahead and check my P.O. box real quick. That building straight ahead, that's a pharmacy there. That's where the pharmacy moved to. Okay, back it up here. Alright, I shall return. Nothing in there. No news is good news. Alright, well, I still got a little time extra here. I'm gonna run down to the dollar store. I'll probably be the only one in there too. Make a left again here on Main. I really had fun fun testing out cameras on the live stream. I got a ton more testing to do. Don't worry, I won't make you suffer through all of it. Some of that's going to go over on Facebook, and I got some other testing. But small doses. Live stream's just a tool. Okay, we're heading on down here. That restaurant there on the left, they're open year round, that Taco Mio. Then the Roadrunner and the Coyote Markets. I still get a kick out of their names. Look at fuel all over the place. 307. They change it, I think, 3 times a day, their price. And you know, the same oil distributor owns 4 of those stations. And they all got different prices. Go figure. It's owned by a company out of Yuma. Okay, here's the big dollar store, Family Dollar. Pull in here, gonna run in a minute. This won't take long. I shall return. Alright, perfect timing. I got all my errands done. Now it's off to the oil change. I do it up there at Custom Tire. David, the manager up there, he's a real good guy, good friend. Takes very good care of me up there. Once again, look, no one's out here. Just RVerTV. Okay, let's see what their price is here. I didn't catch it. Oh, man. $309, huh? Just for kicks and grins, I'm gonna go a long way around. Let's see what the thermometer is again. Because I can feel it just in the last 30-40 minutes of running around. You can just feel the heat cranking up. I got the air conditioner on in the van here. Let's just see what it did before we go over to the tire shop. Trees are still green. Everything's looking good. They like the warm weather. Wow, look at that, 745, 94 degrees at 7:45. How about that, huh? All right, let's just do the loop around. We'll run up here to Tyson Street. Go around the backside of Quartzsite real quick. Okay, we'll make a left here on Tyson. That building off to the right, there is Quartzsite Fire Department. They're out putting out a fire. Some ATV caught on fire out here. And check it out, they put all brand new blacktop down on all these streets all over the place. Looking good, it needed it. The heat just destroys asphalt here. Okay, we're at the end of Tyson. When you make the left here, it turns into Kofa Avenue. With a K, K-O-F-A, Kofa. Be a good place to fly the drone. I might come back and do that there. Okay, storage buildings on the right. Oh, let's cut through the High Jolly Cemetery. We'll say hi to Hi Ollie. We'll drive by that little tomb. It's right up here on the right. See the brown sign there? Holly Cemetery. Here we go. Very popular. There are thousands of people every month that stop here and take a picture of this thing. There it is. See the tomb? Hi, Ollie. All right, got to keep going. Got to get the oil change. This little RV park right here, they've really worked hard, fixed it up nice. It's called the High Ollie, or High Jolly, whatever you want to call it, RV park. Alrighty, we made it. In an hour, I did all my errands in Quartzsite. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for putting up with the heat. It'll be easily in the hundreds today. Easy. Probably by noon. See that blue building? That's where I'm going. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care, all.